Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to watch Disney Hotstar in the UK and what options you actually have. First, you should know that Disney Hotstar is not officially available as a separate app in the UK. Instead, most of its content has been integrated into Disney Plus in that region. So the easiest method is to subscribe to Disney Plus in the UK and search for Hotstar shows and movies directly within the platform. Many popular titles are already included there. Next, make sure your Disney Plus app is updated so you can access the latest content library available in your region. If a specific Hotstar show is not available, it may be due to licensing restrictions, and it might not be accessible in the UK at all. Avoid using unofficial methods or unsafe websites, as they can cause account or security issues. And that's how you can watch Hotstar content in the UK the right way. Subscribe the channel for more videos.